It's K-Chow, and I got something super exciting today. S9. Alright, so the variant that I got is the T-Mobile variant. I don't know if you can see that. And I got it in coral blue. Alright, so let's go ahead and unbox this. Oh, you're just gonna slide it off. Get out! There you go. The seal isn't broken. Open this. Flip this over. Put that on the side. Oh, that's how you get off. Oh my gosh. Gorgeous. And what is that? T-Mobile, because that's the one I have. Comes with OTG, little adapter to make it so you can USB to USB Type-C, or USB-A to USB Type-C. And let's see, here's the charger. And adaptive fast charging, always great. And nice and sealed. The output is 1.67 amps at 9 volts or 5 volts at 2.0 amp. Alright. And it also comes with AKG earbuds. And this is really nice because not a lot of, actually a lot of different phones don't even have earbuds anymore. And these are ear tips. And you get the data cable. Let's get to the phone. I am gonna just open this real fast. Ah, awesome. I'm gonna leave the back on for a little bit just because I'm afraid of dropping it, so just leaving that on. Secured by Knox S9. This is the first boot up and it feels amazing. T-Mobile. So while setting it up, it'll ask you to protect your phone, but check how many different options there are to protect your phone. Setup intelligence scan, which is, I want to say, a combination of both the face recognition and the iris scanner, so it's, I guess, more secure than both. Then there's a just traditional fingerprint scanner, which is placed right under this time, not on the side. People think it's a horrible design to put on the side. I think you just get used to it and you'll be fine. But I'm gonna skip this for now because I want to get into the phone. Oh my god, that default ringtone. Anyways, I just kind of got it set up. Well, I'm in the process of getting it set up while this keeps going off. Let me just vibrate that. But yeah, as you can see, everything's updating. I'm gonna go ahead and use this for a little longer, maybe like a week or so, maybe a month, and I will get back to y'all with my review after that. So stay tuned for that. Anyways, this is a quick unboxing of the brand new S9, and yeah, hope y'all enjoyed it. Bye, friends.